Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting VLC onto your Mac and launching it. Download and mount the DMG, then drag VLC into Applications so Mac OS trusts it. This avoids permission hiccups later. Once done, open VLC and accept any network or accessibility prompts. These enable streaming and keyboard shortcuts. Make sure you set VLC as the default player for common formats to streamline future playback. This first step prepares the app so you can focus on playback and conversion without interruptions. Now you'll control and customize playback. Open a file by drag and drop or file open. You can switch audio tracks and subtitles from the audio and subtitle menus because different streams need manual selection. Once playing, tweak speed for listening or study, and use the video aspect ratio and crop options to fix framing. For picture and sound fixes, open filters and effects to adjust equalizer, color balance, and subtitle delay. These tools solve most playback quality issues quickly. Finish by using VLC's advanced features. Convert files via File Convert/Stream where you pick container, codec, and destination. This is how you create compatible copies for devices. To stream, open Media Stream, paste a network URL, or select local sharing. Make sure port and firewall settings allow traffic. If something goes wrong, like freezes or odd artifacts, reset preferences and caches. Then verify codecs and CPU usage in Activity Monitor. If crashes persist, reinstall VLC to clear corrupted binaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.